A coffee-making robot, a laser cutter, a 3D printer. You won't find those at a typical cafe. But in Seattle, there's a place where you can get espresso with a side of high-tech manufacturing. Alan Schaffler has that story.
It's a place where anyone can walk in and make just about anything with just about anything. From sewing and knitting machine to laser cutters and 3D printers.
We have parts, supplies, snacks, free internet, coffee.
Metrix Create Space is a place to meet, mingle, and make. It sprung out of Matt Westervelt's idea of what he calls the tool curve.
At the bottom of the curve, you have like hammers and nails and things that everybody has.
From there, the curve goes up to the super modern high-end presses, printers, and cutters.
These tools are things that you would not find in your house. And now we have some things that are not even found in university lab.
Like the proto laser that just came in. It can shave weeks off an electronic project by printing circuit boards. Metrix is open every day of the week, noon to midnight, and as with most workplaces, there's a vending machine in the corner, not just for snacks though, although you can get cookies if you want them. But do you need a circuit board, an old-timey TV remote control, or a 16-channel high-current driver shield kit? It's all here. Terrence Tam is a customer. He designs incubators and microscopes during the day, but at night he gets a chance to get out and play.
There's, a lot of really like-minded geeks like me that come down here and spend time.
Those like-minded geeks helped spur his idea for a make-it-yourself 3D printer. He raised more than $120,000 on the online fundraising tool Kickstarter.
A technically savvy enough parent that can assemble a kid's bike can probably put it together with a child helping in about a weekend and start printing.
And once you have it assembled, you can actually print the parts to make more 3D printers. While it was the cool tools that first got Tam in the door here, it's the creative people that keep him coming back.
When you put these guys together in a room, in a place like this, that's when the magic really happens.
For Matt Westervelt, the hardest part might be figuring out what the next big thing will be so he can build it or help others build it. And isn't it, what is the next big thing? We're back live at Metrix Create Space. Let's take another look at that proto laser, by the way, which is now available to the general public. It's a German machine. It's called the LPKF. About 100 grand worth. You program in a design for a circuit board like this. Or design a circuit board, you program it into this machine, you push a button, and in a couple of minutes, you come up with something like that. You see, there it is. Absolutely amazing. And hurry on down because it's 3D Thursday until midnight. If you want to learn anything about 3D printing, they'll be here. They'll have people here teaching you. John?
Only in Seattle. Okay, so this is a business, right, Alan? How do they actually make money at this?
Yep. Well, a couple of different ways. You can have a membership by the month or by the year, or you can just come in off the street. You can pay to use various tools, and there are dozens of different kinds of tools from low to high tech for a per hour charge. If someone's helping you, there might be an additional charge for the man hour. This one is $12.50 a minute, a machine minute, once you've designed and programmed everything.
All right, so how many places like this exist in the nation? Is this a one-of-a-kind, Alan?
I don't think, I don't know, but let's go ask Matt, the owner, and see what he can tell us about that. I have him standing by right here. Matt Westervelt, how many places like this are there in the country? Are you aware of any more?
There's nothing really out there that's quite like this place. There are a lot of places that you can go and use shared tools, but Metrix is a little bit different.
And you've been here for 4 years. How's business?
Business is great.
People still coming in off the street?
Yeah, and making cool things all the time.
All right, making cool things, and that is the story here at Metrix Create Space. Interesting underground space on Broadway on Capitol Hill in Seattle, John.
Yeah, that's where I thought it was. I want to come see that the next time I'm in Seattle. Great story. Alan Schaffler, thanks very much.
Come on by.